Hello, welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Amu and
Lata.
when you have your puja at home or festival at temples, what do you normally remember? Akka, what do you normally remember?
For me, chakkarapongal comes to mind.
I always think of Chakkara Pongal first. Puja comes to mind only after.
Though we make many types of sweets, the importance we give to chakkarapongal is special. Chakkarapongal is a must for all pujas, festivals and special occasions. Today let's see how to make delicious chakkarapongal with coconut milk.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video.
I have turned on the stove and placed a cooker on it. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee and heat it. Let the ghee heat. I am going to use 1 cup of raw rice that I kept soaked in water for 30 minutes. First add half cup of moong dal and roast it. Once moong dal is roasted for a few minutes, add 1 cup of raw rice. You don't have to roast too much, just mix it well, that's it. Just mix it few times and then we can add water.
Akka, do you remember?
What?
During our school day in the month of December, during the festive season, we used to wake up at 4 a.m., take bath and go to temple and wait for the priest thinking, when will they give us chakkara pongal? Then we got the hot chakkara pongal from the priest in our hands. It used to burn our hands. We used to keep changing it from one hand to another and enjoy eating it. Do you remember that?
Yes, I remember. How can I forget those days? Now add 4 cups of water. We use 1 cup raw rice, half cup moong dal and 4 cups of water. Close the cooker, set the pressure and turn it after 4 whistles. Cooker whistled 4 times. I turned it off. Let the pressure reduce. Meantime, let's melt the jaggery. Use a pan and add 2 cups of Pagu Jaggery to it. If you ask for Pagu Jaggery in the grocery shop, you will get it. It gives very good taste. Then add half cup of water. Let the jaggery melt. Jaggery has melted nicely. Instead of filtering it right away, let it boil for a minute or 2 and then filter it. That's how I do it. You also try it that way, but it shouldn't get too thick. You should filter it even before that. Now use a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee and heat it. I have quarter cup of coconut cut into pieces. It gives a nice crunchy feel when you eat chakkarapongal with these pieces of coconut in it. Add this quarter cup of coconut to the pan. The reason why we add coconut in the beginning is it takes some time to get roasted and then we will add cashew nuts. Now add 15 cashew nuts and continue to roast. Once all these roast a little, then we will add dry grapes. Dry grapes, cashew nuts, ghee, all are your choices of how much you wanted to add. Whether you want to add more or less, your choice. But adding more ghee saves from being too sticky and also very tasty. Cashew nuts turned golden color. Now add 15 dry grapes. Once the dry grapes puff off, let's shift it to a plate. Cooker pressure settled. Let's open it. It looks nice. Let's mix it well when it's still hot. Now add the melted jaggery into it. Mix it well so that it doesn't form lumps.
How long should it be on simple?
Mix it well and keep mixing it for a few minutes in a low flame. Next add 1 cup of coconut milk. Mix it well for a minute. While you continue to mix, add 1 teaspoon of cardamon powder, 1 pinch of salt. With this, I have 1 pinch of edible camphor ready. Crush it like this in fingers and add it as well. This edible camphor will give you a lovely aroma and taste. If you ask for edible camphor in grocery shops, you can get it. You use it. It's superb. Every time I use it when I make chakkarapongal. You too try it. Now add all the roasted cashew nuts, dry grapes and coconut pieces. Mix it well. Let it be in low flame for 1 minute and continue to mix. Finally, add all the remaining ghee to it. Mix it for 1 minute and we are done. Today I used 1 cup of raw rice, half cup of moong dal, 2 cups of Pagu Jaggery, 1 cup of coconut milk and 4 cups of water. Then another half cup of water for melting jaggery. When you make in this method, it will be in this consistency. Even if you eat after a while, it won't be too hard. It will be in perfect condition. You do it in the same way at your home and let us know how it was.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thanks for watching our video.